How to make money from home. 1. Become a freelancer. If you have a skill or talent that you can offer to others, you can become a freelancer and work from home. You can offer services such as writing, web design, tutoring, marketing, or graphic design. 2. Start a blog. Start a blog related to a topic you're passionate about and monetize it with ads, affiliate links, and sponsored posts. 3. Sell your stuff. If you have items that are collecting dust, consider selling them online. You can list them on websites like eBay or Craigslist, or even open up your own online store. 4. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide services such as data entry, customer service, appointment scheduling, and more. 5. Take surveys. Companies are often looking for consumer feedback, and you can make money by taking surveys. Sign up for a survey site and answer questions about products and services to earn rewards or cash. Thank you for watching this video.